Good morning and welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Friday the 12th of March 2010. In terms of the Asian session, the Nikkei did finish in positive territory again, up 0.8%, a 7-week high there. Continuing speculation as we head towards the interest rate decision, where the two-day meeting will begin next Tuesday, with further press articles suggesting a possibility of further monetary policy easing to come from the BOJ, helping lift prices there. Whilst over in China, the Shanghai Composite was slightly lower today in general. That's pretty much on the back of some speculation that we could have further tightening, potentially in the form of further reserve requirement hikes to come, although we haven't seen anything to confirm that. That's pretty much stemming from the inflation figures which we saw earlier in the week, which did show that CPI was growing quite a bit faster than consensus estimate. However, the central bank governor, Zhu, has come out and said that did pretty much fit with the central bank's expectations. In terms of other things that we've seen, in terms of FTSE, CAC and DAX as we trade here in Europe, pretty much flat towards unchanged at the moment, which has been the pattern throughout the week. A couple of US comments that are worth noting from press articles. Coming out of Wall Street Journal, they say that US GDP will expand by 3% this year, according to a survey of 54 economists, and also some comments from White House advisor Summers overnight, who said US recovery has a very long way to go. However, the economy is very close to employment growth and deficit must come down after recovery strengthens. In terms of other news flow, bond futures are trading slightly lower this morning, down around 9 to 10 ticks or so. That's pretty much short setting ahead of around 3.5 to 5 billion euros worth in a 5-year and 30-year BTP tap from the Italian Treasury. So we're looking out for those shortly. In terms of other news flow, we did see the pound broadly weaker at the open. That was on a pretty bearish article in the Telegraph newspaper in the UK. That was citing a UniCredit note just saying that worse is still to come for the UK economy. However, the pound has staged a bit of recovery and it is trading positive now in cable above the 151 handle. In terms of looking out then for the rest of the schedule for today, eyes will be to the US data, pretty much the busiest schedule which we've had for the week. We'll have the advanced retail sales report as well as the Michigan report to come later on today.